All animals make their own decisions, whether they do it instinctively or consciously. Animals have instincts that help them understand language, be self-aware, work together, be kind, solve problems, and do mathematics. In this video, we will look at 10 of smartest animals besides humans. The intellectual abilities of these animals will surprise you. But before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. 10. Rats. Even though their brains are small and not as well developed as ours, their minds work very similarly to ours, and the structure of their brains is also very similar. They can figure out mazes, remember routes, and do complicated tasks with many steps. 9. Pigeon. They are next on our list. They can see themselves in a mirror, which shows that they have a complex sense of self-awareness. They can remember certain people and places even after months or even years have passed. Because of this memory, pigeons have been used for hundreds of years to carry messages over long distances. 8. Crows. They are another highly intelligent animal that, like pigeons, have been used as messengers. When fighting other animals, they can use complicated group strategies, like flanking, that are hard for most animals to do. Crows can also learn to talk, and they remember things very well. Crows have the biggest brains of all the bird species, and they can recognize human faces. 7. Pigs. Dogs and pigs were very close, but we chose pigs as the smartest animal over dogs. They can understand the idea of reflection when they are only 6 weeks old. It takes human children several months to understand this. Pigs can also talk to each other with about 20 different sounds, and while their babies are eating, the mother pigs sing to them. 6. Octopus. The only invertebrate animal to make our list of the smartest animals in the world is the octopus. They can even break glass with rocks and open jars with screw-on lids. Octopus can also find their way through mazes and solve problems by using both their long-term and short-term memories. 5. African gray parrots. It is the most intelligent bird. Not only do they learn to talk like people, but they can also learn a large vocabulary, even up to hundreds of words. African grays can also figure out where things are in space, recognize and name shapes and colors, and can even be taught the difference between bigger and smaller, different and the same, and over and under. 4. Elephants. People often talk about elephants' great memories, but they are also one of the smartest animals. These animals have a complicated social structure, and people have seen them attend funerals for family members who have died and cry over their deaths. Elephants also use tools and take care of their own health. For example, they eat the leaves of certain plants when they are sick or to start labor. Elephants shows altruism and will give up their lives if they think it will help the rest of the herd or their young get away safely. 3. Chimpanzee. On this list of the most intelligent animals, our closest genetic relative comes in 3rd place. Scientists found that adults in a family group teach their young chimpanzees sign language. This is a unique thing about chimpanzees. The chimps taught the children sign language on their own, and they used it to talk to each other in the group. Chimpanzees are found capable of doing straightforward calculations. 2. Bottlenose dolphins. Dolphins are easy to train, and they can also recognize themselves in mirrors, notice strange marks on their bodies in a reflection, recognize images on TV, and remember a lot. They have a language that is unique to their species, but when they meet other dolphin species, they switch to a common language to talk. They have even been seen working together with humans and false killer whales to hunt better. 1. Orangutan. They can use tools, learn sign language, and live in groups with complex rules and rituals. In captivity, an orangutan has learned how to use tools and how to put together a simple building. When scientists let him back into the wild, they watched that same orangutan make tools out of whatever he could find, and then build a similar structure to get out of the rain. Since humans and orangutans share over 97% of their DNA, it's not surprising that the orangutan is so smart. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.